Hello everyone, this is Stepan and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see today, I already finished my face and I want to tell you what I did. Ooh, I did a lot. For face, after I clean it and prepare my skin. For the foundation, I used Este Lauder. It was Futurista in a tube. Boom boom with a pump. It was shade 2 and 1, but I use adjuster by NYX. It's total control like this one. I add 7-8 drops of this adjuster, which just makes it lighter for my skin. I don't know where the foundation left, like here probably. I mean, it's set with powder, but you can see some color of that because everywhere else is concealer and contour. For concealer I use L. You saw me using it before. It's kind of like Shape Tape. I don't see a lot of difference. Maybe Shape Tape has more coverage, but I didn't notice any difference so far. For contour today I used kryolan stick. For cream blush I used Elf again, but in peach. You see, it's pretty safe. I mean, you can use all of them. Just when I used the coral, it was a big mess, but if you put just one dot, it should be fine. And for the peach I also use one dot. I put it on a palette and then I use the brush to dump it in and just apply, and then I blend it with a beauty blender. Oh, I just got 2 new beauty blenders. They have a baby one, small baby. I love the babies. And the big one. They've been kind of similar. Maybe this one was a bit darker, but right now you see, I used it a lot today. What? After blush I apply highlighter. For highlighter I use MAC and I use the cream, pretty old product from a different country, and I was here more than 10 years already. So I'm not sure. It's cream. I think it's already like should be thrown away, but who knows. This is Luna cream color base. I think you can apply it underneath of your eyeshadow. I never tried. I use it as a highlighter. But on top of that I put Morphe in like ultraviolet lavender beam. So it's nice lavender color, but on my face you can see it doesn't look like that. Maybe a bit. Maybe when I remove my hair you will see it's more violet or purple, but right now with the lights on and with my hair it looks a bit settled. It looks settled. For the powder today I use Huda Beauty in a cupcake. Also this one, I don't want to pronounce it. Infallible and whatever one, but L'Oreal, it's powder. It's nice. I put it under eyes, also on the chin and on my mustache area because I could see them. I saw my mustaches, so I decided I need to put something on, and also I need to fix a bit after I put in my lenses because the area where I used the finger to open my eye was bad after that. For dry contour I used new product. I mean, it's probably old because it's not in the store anymore. This is NYX Free Step. It have kind of highlighter and a powder and also a contour. It's pretty nice. It didn't grab a lot of attention from after the cream one, and also didn't make me look like a brick wall. I'm pretty settled and it's not cool and it's not warm. It's kind of natural if it's there at all. I think it is there. It's nice product. Don't listen to me. Take it. For blush today I use Catrice, but this time I use a different Catrice. This is Blooming Hibiscus. It's 010, but it's not just a blush. You see, it has shimmer in it. It's satin or whatever. I think it's more like highlighter with like a bit of rouge in it. And for highlighter on top I used Hourglass, and I used this straight light. I might have used something else, but I don't remember if I did. So if I did, and I will remember, I will put a description down below in a video. But otherwise I just use this. Oh, Morphe, I told you I use Morphe for highlighter. See, I already tired. I need to retire. Retire me. I kept losing my lights today, so I put my light underneath to you to see me in purple. Okay, I lost one of my lights and I hope I will still have this one. And I put background light. I hope you don't mind on the video suddenly changed. So after highlighter, which I put on cheeks, under my eyebrow and also on my nose. I went to the eyebrows. Eyebrows I did with, oh, I just got a new palette. Pro HD by Freedom. Looks like this. I saw it by one person and it's from London, but I got it from Spain, I think. Shortage everywhere. I don't know what's going on with that. And this is what I used for eyebrows. Cream? No, it's dry. For the lips today I used Jeffree Star in 2 different shades, Bubblegum and Doll Parts. Doll Parts is a darker and Bubblegum I used as a highlighter right here and on the top. And after that I applied more powder and that's it. Yeah, that's it with the face, but I didn't tell anything about my eyes. For eyes today I used, You Can Be. For the eyes I used You Can Be today. I mixed, as you can see, all except this one, scratched colors and combined them together and got kind of like this color, burgundy, and applied that on my lids, top and bottom, and then I blended with the soft brush, and on top of that I fix it with some shades by Color Pop, which is this one, and calls Red Bottoms. And I also used Tartelette by Tarte, I think, no, it's Glamour, and I took from here ornate in on top, in the middle, and the industrial in the corner. As you can see, it looks nice and I love it. For the eyeliner, one move liquid liner from Inglot, and for my lashes I used Kiss. I love them. I will clean the glue and will reapply them later. Thank you everyone for watching my channel. I hope you like, subscribe and leave a comment below. It was Step and I hope see you soon. Bye.